Hey guys, it's Alex and Mac, and today we're gonna do a look that is inspired by Mac. He's wearing my college shirt, so it's gator colors. He's got a blue eye. If he looks at the camera, you can see it right there. So we chose this eye look to go with how Mac looks right now. He's a little upset to be not sleeping. Let's get right into this tutorial featuring our Unleashed palette and Mac. Mac, high five. High five. High five. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. My inspiration for today's eye tutorial is gonna be my bulldog, Mac. He is a white bulldog with a lot of freckles, but he does have a blue eye. So we're gonna go off of that blue eye vibe. He's also wearing a blue and orange shirt for the Gators because I went to school at UF. So we're gonna do that. For my base shade, we're going in with Oh Dear. I gently tapped into Oh Dear. I'm just patting it along my eyelid. I'm gonna buff it everywhere for that nice transition shade. Like I said, Mac is wearing a gator shirt and the colors of that shirt are orange and blue. He's got a blue eye, so it's gonna help. So now for our crease, we're gonna go in with 2 shades. I'm gonna go into Toucan Do It and No Fox Given. I like to put my lighter crease shade below my darker crease shade just so I have kind of an outline. And I'm not gonna go as far up or as far down with that darker shade, if that makes any sense. So now I have No Fox Given on a packing brush. I'm just gonna pack it on to Toucan Do It. With the packing brush, I'm taking the shade Hawkward right here and applying it to my lid. Since Mac has a blue eye, I'm taking the shade Party Animal right here and adding that to my lower lash line. I went ahead and added a quick liner with the shade Totally right here to my upper lash line. Just kind of tie those 2 blues together. But now I'm gonna add a couple coats of our Big Ego mascara. And bonus, this actually comes with our Unleashed palette. I'm topping it off with the shade 5 O'Clock. This is kind of like his tongue color, maybe. Anyway, it's a pretty nude too. Go with the look. So here we have it. All done with our Unleashed palette. So now I'm gonna bring Mac up. He is currently snoring. Life of a bulldog. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of dog you have, if you have one. Or animal. I'm a big animal person, but let's wake him up. Look at how cute he is. But let me know in the comments down below if you guys like this tutorial. If you want to see anything else with Mac, I'm sure he would love to join again. Oh my gosh, you can see him right now. So cute. Mac, look up. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial with Mac and I.